Welcome to Dash of Amy. I'm Amy and I'm here today with my sister Leah, and we're really excited. We're going to be cooking up a red curry Thai chicken stir fry, which is delish, right?
That was a mouthful. Yes, delicious.
So we're sisters. There's 4 girls in our family. We all love to cook, not just me, and we share recipes. We all make the same meals, and it's really weird because we'll cook stuff within the same week. We'll make the same meals without even knowing, and it's just kind of a cool sister thing we have. But anyway, she's an awesome cook too, and this is one of our favorites. It's really simple, easy, healthy, delicious. You know the drill, and so we're gonna just go for it. And before we do, I just want to say that this girl is a soap maker and beauty product maker. She's extremely creative, and she makes the most beautiful soaps that I've ever seen, all natural from scratch. So I will put a link below so you can check out her website, butterflyblissnaturals.com, right?
Yes.
Okay, and see her skill, because it's really impressive.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, so we're gonna just jump right in, but wait, we're gonna start with a little drink.
Okay.
Little Tito's, little Tito's. And while we do that, we're gonna heat up our electric skillet.
You heat that up, I'm gonna heat us inside.
We're gonna heat it. Damn straight, girl.
Yes, baby, got some Tito's.
We got some Tito's. We're just gonna take a little shot to, you know, relax the nerves, cut loose, right?
Make it fun. Get wild.
Is that enough?
Do you want more? Oh my. It just turned noon, didn't it?
5 o'clock somewhere.
Okay.
Okay, girl. To cooking, to eating, to the sisters.
Yes.
Mm.
Woo! Woo!
Yikes. That's some hot stuff.
That warms you up.
All right, this pan, I love it because it heats up so fast.
Oh, that's nice.
All right, so we start by cooking the chicken. You'll want a deep skillet or electric frying pan, whatever you have, with about a tablespoon of olive oil. All right, we'll season it a little bit. You want to get some salt and pepper. And what do we love about Thai food?
The flavors.
The flavors.
The vegetables.
Lots of veggies, the fresh herbs.
Fresh basil.
Yeah, it's just like, yeah, such a great flavor of Thai food. Love it. If you haven't tried Thai food, you need to. Good job. Good. I always say, don't skip on your salt. Ooh, that shot, girl, that shot.
Cooking fast.
Yeah, I love this pan.
That's the move there, girl.
Yee. Sorry.
Yummy.
All right, so we'll let that cook, and then we're gonna get all the veggies. And man, this is packed with veggies. Packed. We got cauliflower,
That's why I love this meal.
Carrots, zucchini, red peppers, celery, onions, garlic, fresh basil, bata.
Wait.
All right, so the chicken's been going for about 4 minutes, and it's pretty much done. And if it's a little pink, that is okay, because it's gonna go in the hot liquid that we're gonna be making with the coconut milk. So do you wanna just put it on that plate?
Sure.
Sweet.
Just like so?
Sure. Lift it. Perfect.
Whoops.
Okay, so this might be a little too high. So many veggies. We're gonna cook them all together. More olive oil, so another tablespoon or so. And so Leah, yeah, just start saying what they are and put them in.
So we have some chopped onion.
I used half of a large chopped onion.
You can use more if you like onion. Oh, that's sizzling.
It's hot, right? I'm excited to eat this.
Oh, here, I'll let you do the honors. I chop my garlic by hand.
Oh, well, you know, you're a real chef.
I chop it.
Good. You want to give me that butter knife?
Okay.
That's okay. What you got next?
Some celery.
2 stalks.
2 stalks of celery, sorry.
I'm crushing in 4 cloves of garlic.
And then we have here a whole red pepper chopped up.
Yep.
I love the colors of this recipe because you have the red from the peppers, the orange from the carrots, you have the green from the celery and zucchini.
Right?
And
Girl,
cauliflower.
You're like me. I'm all about the color.
Just love the color.
And then that like broth it cooks in turns orange from the red curry.
Yes.
And ooh,
beautiful dish. Tastes so good.
Almost a rainbow.
And then here we have a half of a head of cauliflower chopped up into pieces.
It was one pretty large zucchini.
One large zucchini or two small zucchinis chopped into half. Now, did you do 2 or 3 carrots?
I did 2 big carrots.
2 big carrots, really big carrots. I actually add extra carrots into mine. I love carrots.
Really big carrots.
I usually do 3 to 4 in mine.
Do you? Yeah, I love carrots.
And I like my carrots to be cut thick.
Yeah, these came out kind of thick. I used the adjustment that was a little thicker on the chopper.
Yum.
Right? Are we looking scrumptiosis or what?
Delicious.
All right, so we're gonna let these veggies saute for a bit. Several minutes till they soften, and then we will add our liquids. This is coming together really quick.
Yeah,
right?
it does come together very
All right,
fast.
sweet. So a few minutes of this.
So, okay, so I'm gonna chop up the basil. We have 10 big basil leaves here, and I've got my little rocking knife, so I'm gonna rock and chop. I'll just do them all at once. I like to cut those in thin strips. This knife is totally different from mine. This knife is totally different than mine. What kind of chopping is that? Oh, that makes me look so bad.
It doesn't.
What the heck? This isn't working. All right, so these veggies are looking good. I think they're just about done.
Oh yeah, I think you're right.
And I love when they're golden like that.
Yes.
Toasty.
Oh.
Nice toasty look.
All right, so we're gonna add our liquids. So a can, and I love when those cans, when you don't need a can opener, love. We've got some organic coconut milk.
Organic coconut milk, because this girl loves organic over here.
She does. So a can of coconut milk, and this is,
Ooh.
I know, it's like got that cream on top. Ooh.
Yum, I'm gonna get all that good stuff in there.
Yeah, girl. Yeah,
'Cause
girl.
I don't waste in my house.
No. Ain't nobody got
look at
time for
that.
that. Yeah, it's Simply Balanced. I love their stuff from Target. We're both Target fans, right?
Love Target.
So a can of that, and then chicken broth. So I have I think the yellow one is already open. Yeah. Oops.
Okay, so we are going to add 3/4 a cup of chicken broth. And this is the Greenwise organic chicken broth. Hey, I watch your videos. So
Public.
I know your little slogans here. Greenwise.
Organic if you wish. Conventional if you wish. It's gonna be good either way. Ooh. All right. And then the real deal secret ingredient to this recipe, I would say, is coming up next. Yeah.
Yep, the red curry.
Red curry. I love this stuff.
We have the Thai Kitchen red curry.
Yep. It's
Red curry
delicious
paste.
and awesome, and it's thick and it's concentrated, but you're gonna really try to put 2 tablespoons in the recipe.
This is a pretty big scoop right here. We're gonna go with that size, and we're gonna do.
Oh yeah, girl.
one
Yeah,
more.
I'd
Load
say
it
that's
up.
2. Let me
Oh
smell it.
my God.
That's okay. Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Splattering over
So
here.
good.
We need that tempo a little higher.
Okay, so now salt and pepper. And since this is a big pan and this is a lot of veggies, I'm gonna say, you can do the pepper, and yeah. So you're gonna go with like a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, freshly grinded or use regular, whatever.
Brown pepper. 2 teaspoons of salt. This is like sand.
I know.
The consistency, I kind of like it.
It's really healthy.
Okay. That's
So
looking good.
it's looking juicy, it's looking
the
delicious.
Chicken back in there.
Yeah, you wanna get a fork and let's just test that cauliflower. So the one vegetable that's gonna take the longest to cook is the cauliflower. So we'll see if it's semi-fork tender. No?
Still a little too crunchy.
Okay, so we're gonna let this all get marry and cook until the cauliflower is a little softer. And then we're gonna put the chicken back. Oh, so while that goes, let's do the rice.
Okay,
so we're not just doing regular rice, we're doing coconut rice. So 2 cups of jasmine rice in a medium saucepan, or large, maybe.
And the real key here is to add coconut milk in replacement of water. It gives the rice such good flavor to go in addition with all this other yumminess.
Flavor sensation.
So we're gonna do 4 cups of liquid.
Right, so double your liquid to your rice. So perfect, so the can is
just under 2 cups. Okay, so we're gonna add 1 more can coconut milk.
Perfect.
All right, and I'm gonna give that a little stir.
I like to put salt.
Do you? Okay.
Yeah, a teaspoon at least. So a teaspoon of salt, just to jazz it up a little bit.
This has to be one of my top 5 favorite recipes.
Yeah, there you go. Have you made the Thai chicken noodle soup?
I don't think I've made that one.
Ooh, I'll put a link at the end of this video for my Thai chicken noodle soup, which is, oh, to die for.
Okay, so we're gonna put this on the stove on high until it comes to a boil, and then we're gonna turn the heat down to low and simmer for about 20 minutes with the lid on.
Yes. Get it, girl. So cauliflower looks good. Veggies, amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and add that chicken back in the pan. All right, and let all those flavors blend together for maybe 2 minutes, and then serve it over the rice, which we are cooking. Oh, but so our fresh basil that my sister has chopped so beautifully. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. There it is.
Fresh basil.
Fresh basil for some extra oomph.
I was just thinking the same word.
Were you?
This is too crazy how in sync we are.
Oh man. Oh, look at this recipe.
I'm ready to dive in.
Delicious. All right, so we're gonna wait on the rice and finish this off, and then we're gonna serve it and eat it and show you guys the finished product. Okay, we've reached that time, moment of truth. So the rice, oh, so creamy, so good. I scooped 2 bowls for us. So we're gonna have lunch.
I could eat the rice just like that.
Yes, it's so good and creamy. And this is just
creamy. Get some of that sauce and juice on there.
Look at that.
The best.
My dear?
The best. Can't wait to dig in.
Hopefully it's not too hot. It's had a little bit of cooling time. Okay.
Your fork, darling.
We doing this?
Let's do it. Just open up, baby.
We're doing it. Ready?
It's a little hot. It's a little hot for me. It's a good thing we're at the end of the video because I don't want to talk anymore. I just want to eat.
Amen.
Good job.
Wow.
Good job, Sissy.
We did it. Good, right? Delicious. So, you remember the drill. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and remember that all my recipes are down below. Don't forget to check out my sister's website, butterflyblissnaturals.com. And thanks so much for watching. Love you. You guys have an awesome day.